If you follow us, you've probably seen. Can we start again? I was assaulted by a wire. Hey everybody, it's Dawn from The Wellness Way. If you follow us, you've probably seen my crazy adventures with the Diva Cup and checked out our mascara article where we try different products. And we love to try different products that are healthier for you. So we're taking it another step and we're trying more period products. Don't torpedo me with a tampon.
Let's try them on. Maureen, this would fit you.
Let's try mine over
There
here.
it is. Ready?
It'd be better if you weren't wearing black pants.
It would be better if I wasn't wearing any pants.
Turn around. Turn around.
Show it to everyone.
Okay.
Isn't that cool, guys?
All right, you guys are crazy. We're going to go try these products as soon as our cycles get started.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.